In order to perform a receive transaction for serialized inventory, you can begin by either clicking on the Transactions ribbon at the top and selecting Receive Stock, or by opening the Transactions folder in the folder tree, then opening the Online folder and selecting Receive Stock from there, or finally by simply clicking the Receive icon that's located in the lifecycle. Once the Receive Stock form loads, at that point you can reference a purchase order by either typing it in and having it auto-populate so you can select it. You can also click the drop-down menu and select it from there. Or you can create a new purchase order by clicking the green and white plus button, or search through a list of available purchase orders by selecting the magnifying glass. Once you select the purchase order, at that point you'll then see that the line items below will populate. Now for serialized inventory, you'll need to click on the green and white plus button under the serial/batch number column. And once you've done that, at this point you can either type in the serial number, or you can have the system auto-generate unique identifiers for each item in the serialized inventory that you just received. Once you have all the serial numbers listed, at that point you can select a location to receive this at, and then just click Process to complete the transaction. Next, if you're receiving serialized inventory and you're not referencing a purchase order, at that point you'll simply select the location where you're receiving these items, again by either typing it in and selecting it, or selecting it from the drop-down, creating a new location, or searching through a list of locations. Once you have the location selected, at that point, enter the stock item you're receiving. Once you've entered the stock item, simply specify the quantity that you're receiving. And once you hit the Tab key on the keyboard, at that point you can click on the serial number/batch number green and white plus button here. And now you can assign a specific serial number or unique identifier to each one of these serialized items. This can be done by either clicking in any of these boxes and typing in the information, or by having the system generate sequential identifiers for each serialized item. Once you have this information in here, simply click OK. And at that point we can now see that those have all been assigned to each item, so we can just click the Process button and complete the transaction.